Hey everybody, I'm Don Dabney, and this is a 1935 Ford Coupe with a rumble seat. And in this video, I'm going to take you for a ride. I'm going to walk you around the car. I'm even going to take you underneath the car. So stick around and we're going to take a ride in this 1935 Ford. This car just gets up, it cruises, it shifts easily, the brakes are nice, the suspension is great. You can tell the car was totally restored. The only thing is it has older tires, and I would suggest that somebody might want to replace those to make sure they're safe. We have working fuel gauge, speedometer, odometer. Check this out, even the radio. Radio's working. All right, thanks for checking it out. Thanks for riding along. Check out the description on leftcoastclassics.com. You can also check out our cool YouTube video channel if you're already there. If you're not already there, we have a lot of 7 million views or something up there now. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can also find me on Wheeler Dealers Season 11, Episode 8, Season 15, Episode 8, and another episode coming soon. Stay tuned for that, and thanks for checking out this 35 Ford. All right, so let's head under the 35. And look at it. You can tell it was a full frame off restoration at some point. I don't yet know at the time I'm recording this how long ago. I'll see if I can find out. But you can tell the whole thing was completely taken apart, refinished, and put back together.